In this video we will talk about self-care tips for men. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. From improving your sleep to trying meditation, these self-care commandments will help you stay healthy and sane. Self-care is the simple act of taking time out to focus on yourself. Be a little selfish by putting obligations and other cares aside and focus on the most important thing in your life. Self-care tips for men. Get a massage. From neck and back pain to sports injuries and even relief from the usual 9 to 5 tension, there are many reasons why men need massages. Put on moisturizer. Even if you have no skincare routine to speak of, doing something to your face not only helps it look its best, but also just feels damn good. Meditate. Mindfulness is a major movement for a reason. Whether he's at his desk, in the car, or about to drift off to sleep, it's now easier to practice the art of meditation. Upgrade your sleep hygiene. Getting enough sleep is a no-brainer when it comes to wellness, but what you do to prepare yourself to go to sleep has a big impact on how much you get. Use a scalp scrub. Scalp scrubs are basically the same as face scrubs. They help remove buildup and dead skin cells from your scalp that can make hair look damaged and, some say, even contribute to hair loss. Taking walks outside in the fresh air helps to promote clarity and focus. If you have a mental block, or just feeling frustrated, take yourself outside for a brisk 10-minute walk. No phone or distraction, just you. Do not let stress build up when a quick 10-minute walk outside is so helpful. Practice positive self-talk, offset the self-critic inside your head and adopt a gentler and kinder approach to talking to yourself. You are your own worst enemy because you believe all the bullshit you have been telling yourself for years. Invest in personal grooming. Treating yourself to products like the Peregrine Supply Co. Detox Box or Tea Tree and Lavender Aftershave Tonic not only elevates your grooming ritual, but the action of devoting time to your personal upkeep helps set the tone for your day. Read. Take time early each day, only needs to be 10 minutes on the train or bus, to read things that expand your mind, lift your spirit and inspire you. Plan a guy's weekend with your friends. Self-care doesn't have to be a solo endeavor. Call your friends and plan a guy's weekend to do something together that aligns with self-care and rediscovery of masculinity. Pursue a hobby. Perhaps your job is your passion or you are working for the weekends. Either way, participating in an activity that is for your sole enjoyment evokes joy and can stimulate creativity. Get some headspace, schedule some personal time every week and learn to say no. Being a man does not make you invincible to overwhelm. Sleep. Poor sleep is linked to depression, anxiety and stress. Lying in bed for 7 to 8 hours a day is not the same as sleeping for 7 to 8 hours. Sleep in a cold room and avoid all technology for up to 1 hour before turning in. Get a houseplant. Just like plants outside, a plant inside your home purifies the air and releases chemicals in the air that can help to elevate your mood. Stretch often. When in doubt, stretch it out. Often overlooked in anyone's routine, stretching can lead to better posture, more confidence, a decrease in common aches and pains, and an overall positive attitude. Spoil his skin. If his morning bathroom routine is still a disposable razor and washing his face with an old, bacteria-filled bar of soap, it's time to upgrade his skincare. Be in nature. Even in the midst of winter, escaping to nature can recharge your proverbial batteries. Opting to go for a hike, visit a skating rink or take in some of your local sights will help clear your mind and leave you feeling refreshed. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.